ওয়েলকাম টু স্মার্ট পাঠশালা। আমরা এই ভিডিওতে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন অফ ভেক্টর নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন অফ ভেক্টর ইজ ওয়ান অফ দি মোস্ট ভাইটাল পার্ট ইন দি চ্যাপ্টার মোশন ইন এ প্লেন। ওকে, মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন অফ ভেক্টর দুই ভাবে করা যায়। একটা হচ্ছে স্কেলার প্রোডাক্ট অর ডট প্রোডাক্ট, অ্যানাদার ইজ ভেক্টর প্রোডাক্ট অর ক্রস প্রোডাক্ট। আজকে আমরা এই লেকচারে স্কেলার প্রোডাক্ট আর ডট প্রোডাক্ট নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। ঠিক আছে, সো হোয়াট ইজ স্কেলার প্রোডাক্ট? Scalar product or dot product of two vectors a and b is defined as the product of magnitude of a and b and cosine of angle between them. মানে কি স্কেলার প্রোডাক্ট অথবা ডট প্রোডাক্ট জিনিসটা হচ্ছে দুটো ভেক্টর দেওয়া আছে আমার কাছে a and b। ওকে, এই দুটো ভেক্টরের স্কেলার প্রোডাক্ট অথবা ডট প্রোডাক্ট হবে a and b এর ম্যাগনিটিউড ইনটু cosine of angle between them. So a vector ডট বি ভেক্টর, ডট প্রোডাক্টকে এ ভেক্টর ডট বি ভেক্টর ডট দিয়ে লেখা হয়। ওকে, ডটটা মাস দিতে হবে ইজ ইকুয়াল টু এ ভেক্টর বি ভেক্টর টু cos থিটা। এ ভেক্টর ডট বি ভেক্টর, the scalar product of two vectors a and b is equal to mod a, দেখি a এর ম্যাগনিটিউড, ঠিক আছে, into b এর magnitude into cos of angle between them. That means তোমার কাছে ধরো এটা আছে a vector, এটা আছে b vector। ওকে, এটা হচ্ছে angle between them is theta। তাহলে এই দুটো ভেক্টর প্রোডাক্ট আমরা এই দুটো ক্রস প্রোডাক্ট আমরা এভাবে লিখতে পারি। ওকে, নাও একটা एग्जांपल দেখেন, ফিজিক্যাল एग्जांपल। Physical example. Work done. Work done আমরা কি জানি? Force into displacement. Okay. Work done টা force into displacement নরমালি আমরা এভাবে লিখি, কিন্তু এটাকে যদি আমরা ভেক্টর প্রোডাক্টে ক্রস স্কেলার প্রোডাক্টের রেসপেক্টে লিখতে যাই তাহলে আমরা কি লিখতে পারি? W is equal to F dot S. Okay, where F is the force and S is the displacement. Now you can tell me that dot product of AB is equal to mod A mod B cos theta. Okay, look that here as there is the mod sign, so we have to give the cos theta, but here we have only given the vector, not the magnitude of f and s. The whole vector f and s is included here. So the physical example of a scalar product can be given as W is equal to F dot S. Now we will discuss the characteristics or properties of vector scalar product. Properties. Okay, now we will discuss the properties of scalar product and vector product. Okay, so first rule, scalar product is commutative. That means A dot B is equal to B dot A. Okay, it is the first property. Second property, distributive over vector addition. Okay, that means distributive over vector addition means that a vector dot b vector plus c vector. Okay, this can be written as a vector dot b vector plus a vector dot c vector. Okay, this is distributive over vector addition. Now, if two vectors A and B are perpendicular to each other, then what will happen? That means perpendicular vector or orthogonal vector. A vector dot b vector mod A mod b cos theta. If the vectors are perpendicular, then theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to 90 degree. Put 90 degree here. A vector mod A mod b cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. That means this scalar product of two mutually perpendicular vectors is a null vector. Okay. The fourth property, that is when the vectors are parallel vectors. Okay. A vector dot b vector is equal to mod A mod b cos theta. When the vectors are parallel vector, then theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to 0 degree. Okay. Then mod A mod b cos 0 degree is equal to AB. That is when two vectors are parallel vectors, then the scalar product of these two vectors is given by the product of their magnitude only. Okay. Now our fifth property. Okay. When the vectors are parallel but opposite direction. That is theta is equal to 180 degree. Parallel and opposite means okay, this is the parallel and opposite vectors. So the angle between them is 180 degree. If we have conduct scalar product in this type of vector, then cos 180 degree, that is minus AB. Okay. When the vectors are parallel and opposite, then the scalar product of these two vectors is equal to the negative of the product of their magnitude. Okay. Now scalar product of mutually perpendicular unit vector. Mutually perpendicular unit vector. Okay. What are the unit vectors? X, Y, Z. Along x-axis, unit vector is denoted as I cap. Along y-axis, it is j cap, and along z-axis, it is k cap. Okay. Now, if we apply scalar product between two same unit vectors, at first we write angle between the unit vectors. What is the angle between I cap and j cap? This is 90 degree. Similarly, j cap k cap is 90 degree, k cap I cap it is 90 degree. Different unit vector. Okay. Angle between unit vectors is 90 degree for different unit vectors and 0 degree for same unit vector. The angle between I cap and I cap is 0 degree. Okay. Now, I cap dot I cap equals to mod I to cos theta. What is mod I? Unit vector, magnitude of unit vector is equal to 1. Always remember that magnitude of any one of the unit vector is 1. Okay. Then mod I 1. Then mod I 1 cos 90 degree, 0 degree. This same, so it is cos 0 degree. Cos 0 is 1. Therefore, I dot I is equal to 1. Similarly, j cap dot j cap is equal to mod j cos theta is equal to 1 dot cos 0 degree. is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now you see that there is similarities. When it is I dot I cap dot I cap, it is 1, and when it is j dot j, it is also 1. That means k cap dot k cap will also give 1. Okay. These are the combination for same unit vector. Now, for different unit vectors, the combination will be I cap dot j cap. Then mod I, mod j. What is the angle between I and j? The angle between I and j is 90 degree. That is cos 90 degree. Okay. Mod I is equal to 1. Mod j is equal to also 1. And cos 90, 0. So I cap dot j cap is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, j cap dot k cap equal to mod j mod k cos 90 degree is equal to 1 dot cos 90 0 is equal to 0. You see that when the unit vectors are different, then the result is 0. So at last we can write that I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap is equal to k cap dot k cap is equal to 1, and I cap dot j cap is equal to j cap dot k cap is equal to k cap dot I cap is equal to I cap dot k cap is equal to k cap dot j cap is equal to j cap dot I cap. This is all the combination for different unit vectors. This will give us 0. Okay. So scalar product of same unit vectors will give 1, and scalar product of different unit vectors will give us 0. Okay. Now scalar product of two vectors using position coordinate. Okay. Let us consider two vector A and B. Okay. We can write a vector as ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. We have resolved the vector A into mutually perpendicular three axes. Okay. Similarly, B vector can be written as bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay. Now a vector dot b vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap dot bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay. Now we will simply multiply it. Simple multiplication rule. Okay. Is equal to ax bx I cap dot I cap okay plus ax by I cap j cap plus ax bz I cap k cap plus ay bx j cap I cap plus ay by j cap dot j cap plus ay bz j cap k cap plus az bx k cap I cap plus az by k cap j cap plus az bz k cap dot k cap. Okay, there are 9 parts. Now you see that I cap dot j cap, I cap dot k cap, j dot I cap. These all, sorry, not this. These all are this dot product of two different unit vectors. In our previous property, we have read that I cap dot j cap is equal to 0. So these all will become 0 and I dot I is equal to 1. Okay, in our previous properties we have already discussed it. Okay, so I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k 1. Okay, therefore from this we can write that a vector dot b vector is equal to ax plus ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Okay, so scalar product of two vectors a and b is equal to the sum of products of their corresponding rectangular component. Corresponding rectangular component এর প্রোডাক্টের সামই হলো দুটো ভেক্টরের স্কেলার প্রোডাক্টের মান। ওকে, নাও last property, the cosine of angle theta. How to make the cosine of angle between two vectors? Okay, how to find it? How to find cosine of angle between two vectors? There is an easy formula. Cos theta is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Okay, root over ax square plus ay square plus az square into root over bx square plus by square plus bz square. Okay, this is the formula to find the cosine of angle between the two vectors. Now using this formula, now we are going to do one numerical. We will find out the angle between two vectors given as a vector is given as 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 6k cap and b vector is given as 3i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, two vectors are given in this format and we have to find the angle between them. Okay, so we will take help of this formula. From this formula we can write that cos theta is equal to ax. In our rectangular coordinate system, we have resolved the vector as ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. There is a similarity. See that ax, these two is equal to x. This minus 4 along with the sign will give ay. 6 will give us az. Okay, now ax, what? Ax is equal to 2 dot bx is equal to 3 plus ay by. Ay is equal to minus 4 and by is equal to 1 plus az 6 bz2. Okay. Now ax square, that means 2 square plus minus 4 square plus 6 square into 3 square 1 square 2 square, 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. Just put the value of ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz in their respective position using this formula from the given two vectors. That's it. Okay. Now calculate it. 6 minus 4 plus 12, that is 2 to the power 4 plus 16 plus 36, that is 9 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. This is equal to 14. This is equal to root 56. This is equal to root 14. Okay. No, sorry. This will be 4. Okay. The 2 square is equal to 4. Okay. Then now it is root 14. 56 can be written as 2 root 14. Again root 14, root 14, root 14, root 14, 14 cancel out, and this is equal to half. So cos theta is equal to half, or cos theta is equal to cos 60 degree, or theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So the angle between the two given vector is 60 degree. Okay. Using such formula we can easily calculate the angle between the two vectors from any two given vectors. Okay. That's all for today. And if you guys have any queries regarding this part, you can comment in the comment box and we will definitely try to solve it. And if you like this video, do subscribe our channel and share this video. Thank you.